What's happening in the stock market this week, you ask? Well, let me tell you, the stock market has been buzzing with activity recently. In fact, the S&P 500 has soared to a record high, leaving investors and market analysts alike in anticipation. This week, all eyes are on the Federal Reserve's January meeting minutes, which could provide key insights into future market trends and economic policies. Stay tuned as we delve into this week's financial highlights. The stock market displayed impressive performances last week. Let's dissect these performances a bit, shall we? The Nasdaq Composite, that tech-heavy index, outshone its peers with a surge of over 2.5%. Not too far behind, the S&P 500 also had a moment in the sun, increasing by nearly 1.5%. And let's not forget the Dow Jones Industrial Average, adding a modest but still noteworthy 0.5% to its tally. Now, there's been significant buzz around AI-related stocks. In the spotlight are Palantir and Supermicro Computer, leading the charge with strong performances that have contributed to the gains in the S&P 500. They've been turning heads and making waves in the market, and it's clear to see why. But it's essential to remember the tech sector is not the only player in this game. The S&P 500's record high, although influenced by these tech performances, isn't solely driven by them. So, while we celebrate these triumphs, let's remember there's a bigger picture at play. This week, fewer economic updates are expected, but they hold substantial importance. The financial world is keenly awaiting the minutes from the Federal Reserve's January meeting. These minutes could provide crucial insights into the Fed's perspective on the current economic climate and its future strategies. Simultaneously, reports on manufacturing and services sector activity are also due. These reports are pivotal, as they help gauge the health of the economy and could influence market trends. Moreover, the Consumer Sentiment Index is another key indicator to watch. It reflects consumers' attitudes and buying intentions, which directly impact the economy. In addition to these economic updates, we're anticipating corporate earnings reports from big players like Alibaba and Walmart. These reports often serve as a litmus test for the business environment and can have a significant effect on stock prices. Therefore, they are closely monitored by investors and market analysts alike. Investors are eagerly waiting for these updates and reports, which could significantly impact the market. Inflation data has suggested some positive news for the Federal Reserve's rate cut plans. As recent figures show, there's a likely slowdown in price increases on the horizon. This is leading many to anticipate 1 or 2 interest rate cuts from the Fed in the year 2025. It's important to remember, these economic indicators play a pivotal role in shaping the market's direction. It's these subtle shifts that can make a significant impact on investments and the economy as a whole. These economic indicators are critical in shaping the market's direction in the coming days. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.